Watching this, some of you guys would know that the MSX has been sold and replaced with the monkey bike. This is what I affectionately called Elita, and looking at her now I really feel sad, but needs must. I had to make space for the monkey. I got her in 2014 and I've done 2,070 miles on it. Now that a lot of you will say, what? Just 2,000 miles? Well, bear in mind, I don't use her for anything other than commuting. And my commute is less than 10 miles. So that's a lot of commuting. And in that time, I grew to love this bike. What an incredible little bike. Nothing has gone wrong with it. Just the normal maintenance. After 2 years, and when it ran out of warranty, I did my own maintenance. 1 liter of oil, an oil filter, and check the valves every now and then, which is really easy to do. And that's about it. Nothing has gone wrong with it. Not a single thing. And now when you look at her, you would barely recognize her because I have put everything back on her. So the tail tidy is gone and the original is back. The indicators front and back, and these ugly mirrors and the levers are all back. In town, as for commuting, no bike will beat it. Put it that way. It can keep up with any bike out there, if not actually faster than so many of them. Me ringing the hell out of it all the time, it gave me 100 miles, which is 160 kilometers, for £4 worth of petrol. I mean, how can you beat that? You wouldn't even do that in the London Underground, being under the mercy of those smelly armpits. I don't know how these people do it. Go get yourself a bike like this. You arrive home with a smile on your face and so happy. The only thing I did as well is change the tires, because I said it many times, the original tires, the V-rubber ones, are a death trap. As I said, not a single thing went wrong with this bike. I'm sad looking at it, but I'm sure I'll miss her. I really miss her. When I first got her in 2014, not a single motovlogger had them. And then all of a sudden they just exploded. Everybody got one and modified them and so on. And I think even Honda was shocked by how popular the MSX became. Or the Grom, whatever you want to call her. For me, it served a fantastic purpose. I commuted on her, and especially if I was going to go to a client meeting in a dodgy area, no secure parking, I will take the MSX. Because if this is parked next to a BMW S1000 and those thieves came, which ones are they going to pick on? Of course they're going to pick on the more expensive bikes. As long as it was secured with a chain to an anchor, it's unstealable because they're not that expensive. So parts and so on, when they break them, when they steal them, they won't make a lot of money out of it. So risk versus reward, it's way down on the list. What else can I say about her? Handles beautifully, it's got enough power. Now that I put the original exhaust back on her, listen to her. It's as if she's not running. Let's start her. Oh, you poor thing. Very civilized, as opposed to me, uncivilized. Looking forward to the monkey. And all good things come to an end. Bye bye, Elita.